Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn German with Gigi. Today we are going to talk about greetings. In most German-speaking countries, it is considered good manners to greet everyone. So whether you're talking to the clerk, to a waiter, or just bumping into someone on the street, it is always a good idea to say hello. There are different ways to say hello in German. Certain greetings are reserved for certain groups of people or certain settings. We therefore make a difference between informal and formal greetings. Informal greetings can be used for friends and family, as well as for people you meet in casual settings. Formal greetings are used to address people you meet in business settings, especially when you meet them for the first time. You can also use formal greetings to greet older people. If you're not sure whether to use informal or formal greetings, just go with the formal greeting. You can never go wrong with the formal greeting. Let me show you the most common formal greetings in Germany. The first one is Hallo. Hallo. Hallo is actually the best way to say hello in German. It is nice and easy to pronounce and suitable for just about every situation. Hello is mostly formal but can also be perfectly used in informal settings. It is quite in the middle between formal and informal greetings, which means you can use hello for every situation. The next formal greeting is Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag is really formal. It is also a bit old-fashioned. People don't use Guten Tag very often. If you want to use it, make sure you are in a formal setting or greeting someone that is much older than you. Now, let's look at informal greetings. Informal greetings are especially used among young people. Those are hi and hey. As you can hear, hi and hey is taken from the English language, so you already know those greetings. Just use those greetings to greet young people or friends or family. If you want to make a difference between hi and hey, just think about hi as a greeting for a young person that you don't know yet and hey for someone you already know. Exercise those greetings in order to be fluent in German. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!